want to look like this or like this, you gotta keep watching, because literally these styles take like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Hello, Kings and Queens. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we're gonna do something really fun, but first, dun, 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 dun. Wow. Introduce yourself, ma'am.
She was like,
introduce
me, and I'm gonna introduce myself. Okay, I'm called Pearl. Pearl Why are we hugging each other?
A match made in heaven.
I know it.
Like
a match
like
made in
literally.
heaven.
Like
literally. I know this can still happen.
Okay, go ahed.
So I'm called Pearl and I do YouTube. Pearl
Period. I'm gonna put all her information down below. She's starting to get back on the gram, right?
Yeah.
So you guys should follow her on Instagram. But yeah, this beautiful Cameroonian queen, okay, is a boss. You guys should follow her. She talks all about her fashion design background, you know,
right.
Growing in the faith, rocking out here, just, you know, doing things for the kingdom.
Yep.
But yeah, I love this girl so much. But today, today we're going to show you guys 3 different ways. Actually, we don't even know how many ways. Maybe 5, maybe 10. Who knows? But how you can take your, you know, those long African dresses that don't really flatter your body, you can turn them into really cute shirts. So we're going to show you guys how you can tie them, and they're going to be so cute. So right now, pay attention, okay? Pay attention, because we're about to show you how to slay.
Yeah.
Slay. Like, take whatever your mom has in that back closet that she never wear and slay it. All you need is some nice African fabric, and who doesn't have that in their house?
Nobody.
Like, literally nobody doesn't have that in their house. So yeah, you guys, are you ready to get into it?
Yeah.
All right, so we are starting out with this kaba. What do you guys call it? What do you call it? You guys call it? Oh, you're Cameroonian too, so duh.
But we call this kaba. It basically looks like a baby dress.
Yeah, so basically this is the before. So as you can see, you can't wear this anymore because like this ripped, right? And then it's just like this big dress that you wear to clean in the house. We're not trying to clean in the house. We're trying to be out here looking cute, okay? So you gotta transform it. So let me show you guys.
You wear when you're pregnant.
True, they look really cute when they're pregnant. So let me show you guys the before real quick. Pretty boring. So anyway, so we're gonna show you guys how you can turn this part into a top, because down here there's like a peplum happening, sort of a peplum. So we're gonna show you guys how you guys can cut this and turn it into a top. But yeah, got the before. Let's make something happen here. All right, so Pearl is just making sure to get all the this was the bottom of the dress. As you guys saw, this is what we're gonna be using. So she's just gonna straighten it out to get it ready for cutting. You guys, it's just super simple. Anybody can do this. All right, so we just measured it, and all you have to do, she just folded it twice so that she can cut more at one time. But then she's just cutting straight across. If you're fancy, you can put a ruler, but we're not fancy, so.
What if I'm cutting through your sheet?
Honestly, it's fine because we're gonna fold it anyway.
What if I'm cutting through your sheet?
No, well, that's fine. Oh, surprise, you're not. Okay. All right, so this is what you should have after. Hold it up nice and pretty. Yep. All right, so I think the next step is to rip the seam so that you have one long, wait, show them, like, lay it down. Okay.
There you go. This is the same.
So what you want to do is find the seam, because there's always going to be a seam where, how do I explain this? There's always going to be a seam on the side of the dress. Because she taught me that today, actually. I mean, yesterday, actually. So what you want to do is just rip the seam. You don't need anything to do this. You literally just rip it apart. Just like so. Bam. And now you should have one long cloth. Like so. And now we're ready for tying, you guys. It's that easy. So we have this one. This is my favorite one, you guys. We have this beautiful one. Love, love, love this one.
And the peplum of this one is a little, it has more.
Yeah, this peplum is a little bit more fun. But we're going to see what we can do with the other one. And then we also have this one. And these, you guys, these were all turned from old kabas that I had that I was tired of wearing in the house. Like, I had to be cute, okay? So there we go. All right, you guys, we're actually ready to tie the shirts now. I hope you guys cut your cabas with us because it's literally going to take us like 5 seconds to tie these shirts. So you might as well just rewind, watch it again, cut your shirt, come back and tie it with us. Right?
Right.
Style number 1. So if you have like an undershirt that's strapless, you can use it to your benefit. So I'm going to take this around and tuck it in all around.
If you have a safety pin or something to secure it, you can just pin it right there. But what we did is tucked one of the sides under and then took the other one and tucked it over to create this effect.
It is cool from the front. And if you want, you can wear a little belt here.
You see?
Alright, so we're done with this one. We're going to play with some other ones because this one's a little bit shorter. We have 2 other colors that we want to show you guys how, you know, we style them. And those are longer, so it'll be more to play with. I will be showing us how to style this beautiful fabric.
Yeah.
I'm going to tuck this under the shirt so it doesn't ruin the peplum look. Like so.
I think I'm ready to go.
And then I'm going to tie it. This is so cute. Oh. After you're done tying, you just tuck it back in. As you can see, the peplum is really cute in the back. And then come to the front, turn around, close up.
Yeah.
So you guys can see there's like 2 different layers. There's the first layer right here and the second layer. Super, super cute. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Right.
Off the shoulder, look at the side. Yes, honey, work it. Right.
So when you get these prints, usually if you have a tag on it, you have to use a hot iron.
Yeah, I didn't get that, and then I try to
up.
rip it off. And that's
when you rip it up, this is what happens. Like, look at the beautiful prints, but then we have this.
I don't have an iron. Sorry.
But I like it.
Come closer.
I think we can do.
So what we can do next is strapless. You said. Just take
Strapless?
it. Take your arm out, and then we can still tie it in the back. So you can just tie it in the back, strapless, in the front. You still have the really cute double peplum look.
Yep.
Like so. So
Pretty.
cute. It's actually super cute. I love it.
Right. If you're crazy about sleeves, I think we can.
And
do
then you
this.
brought it back, yeah. And then just make sure you have a shirt under. Came around. Tie. Just like that. And what you want to do, come closer, is hide your knot. Double knot just to be safe. Turn around.
Wow.
This is a really different look. I like it though.
Right. It's cool. So I'll put it around my shoulders, and then I'll take it over. I'm trying to create sort of a wrap. Then I'll come beneath and I'll hold it right here. Take it to the back so I can secure it.
And if you have some nice high-waisted jeans, just secure it in your pants. The whole thing comes off. This is actually really cute. So you get this really cute effect in the back.
Yeah.
And then turn around.
This
so cute. Love that. Back up.
Right.
Yes. So cute.
How do you like this? It's cute, right?
Go model. Go up. Go model. Yes, model. Yes. Yes. Just probably one stop. And then I want to show my favorite. This is literally the cabas that got me into even doing these because I had to go somewhere and I didn't have anything to wear. So I took this, I tied it around my back, and this one is really long, so it gives you place. And then make sure you fold fold this in so that you're not showing like the unhemmed ends. Fold it in, make sure it's the same length all around, and then I just tie this, take it together, make a knot as tight as possible. And I made 2 just to keep my boobies secure. Okay, and then next you want to create an off the shoulder top. So you fold it in again, you don't want to show the hemmed ends around. And it really works because of the peplum ends of the kaba. It makes it look like it was made to be a shirt. It's like actually pretty awesome.
It's like
put it more, but unlike the black part. Yeah.
So.
There you go. Here you go. Put it around. Make sure you center it before you tie it. And just pull these so then it looks like it is closed in the front. And you could always wear a black shirt inside just to keep yourself covered. And then in the back,
beautiful. Love this top. So this is basically what I saw in the picture. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed those looks. We had a lot of fun making this video. Before you go though, make sure you support my girl Pearl Sa. I will have her information down below in the description, and we also did another video on her channel, so go check that video out as well. Without further ado, see you guys in the next video. Bye.